Today we go visit Comuna Uno. Yeah, we in the hood.
So that boy did 10
for a homicide.
Came out.
Not exactly. Everything in the hood is better. You already know.
We had a wild day.
You know what I'm saying? Take the car keys. Take the car hostage.
All right, so according to Yo Gambi, I'm going to go visit the hood. Is this correct, sir?
Sir, popularon.
Okay. Let's see how this goes. I don't know if I'm ready for this. All right, so we're here. Gracias.
Uy, es que son amigos tuyos, ¿cómo lo ves? ¿Cómo va mi bro?
Hola.
¿Qué dice?
Joseph.
Joseph. Rodas.
Rodas.
Gracias.
¿Cómo vamos? ¿Todo bien? ¿Cómo va mi bro?
I guess that's our tour guy today.
My homeboy, he did 10 years for homicide. And he got out, and now he's active.
Oh my God, that's scary. That's, damn. I thought I flipped the camera. Okay, wait. So that boy did 10, came out.
And now he's active. Dinero nunca duerme.
Wow. Only in Colombia, bro. Homicide. Yo, this is like a bird coop. Look at this. You got like a full bird. Is that duck coop? You got pigs? You got pigs in here? Holy shit. Oh shit. That's crazy. So we're about to go to a little party over here. Little community party. Guy came in on the bike with the water and everything. Wait. The go, baby.
Puerto de Chivo, dale con la chivera.
And the rave's right here. That's crazy to me. Yeah, Colombia is different.
It's different, my boy.
Your camera's like, wait, hold on. Okay, the sun is now down, and it's a different vibe than when we were walking around earlier. That girl just cleaned her shoe in the water. That is crazy. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go in the shop right here. Oh, this is cool. It's a mom and pop shop right here. I wouldn't survive outside without this man, because I don't speak Spanish for shit.
Huh?
I said I wouldn't survive outside without you because I don't speak Spanish for shit.
Oh, you're good though. You feel me? We went raw.
God damn, we had a whole entire spread. How is it? Okay, hold on.
Everything in the hood is better.
You guys say that one more time.
Everything in the hood is better. You already know.
Oh my God, it's made with love. Hold on, shut one more time for the ladies. This boy, look at this. God damn! She saw that! Can't run away! Alright, back to our adventure.
We're gonna come down like we drunk.
Oh, okay. That's actually funny. We're shooting some content for his YouTube channel. This is hilarious. Watch this. This is hilarious. So we gotta introduce ourselves to everybody in the hood. Walk around.
Yo Gabi, un parcero de Estados Unidos, que están del parcero por acá que
Why isn't that little boy in bed?
el chondero.
Yeah, do you guys, that people gotta pay for insurance on their motorcycle here? Because everyone got a bike.
I think so.
That's crazy.
People don't pay for insurance for nothing here. That's why last time we crashed, we took car keys.
Damn.
Because we do like most people don't have insurance, so you know what I'm saying? Take the car keys, take the car hostage. You know what I'm saying? Now you're gonna pay us to fix the car. We're taking your car. Out here you gotta be like, you know, on point. Somebody crash you, it's like, yo, whoa, you ain't leaving.
That's crazy. Back to our adventure. We're walking down this steep ass hill. Look at that. If I didn't come here with those two guys, man, I'd have been robbed. Everything. Voila. So guy running up behind me right here. He'd be taking my wallet like, pew. Where did this kid come from? All right, so we're gonna go down this beautiful, not scary alley, and we're gonna be fine. All right, somebody's random house. He was asking whose music was playing so we could play Yo Gambi's music. So that boy was like, I don't want to take a picture of my outfit, and then Yo Gambi put on his music, and now he wants to take a picture. Gracias. So we're done that one. Oh wait, we're not done. All right, we made it out of that scenario. This place doesn't look scary at all. Well, hold up. They got me outside right now. What's this place called?
La Comuna, Medellin, aquí estamos.
They got me. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I'm outside. That's somebody's house. That's a vibe out here. The hood knows how to have fun, yo. The hood knows how to have fun. You know you're in the hood when you get a random Coca-Cola. You get a random person with a Coca-Cola. Just chilling.
Alias Joseph.
We decided to go do a workout. Yes, a workout in the middle of the night in the hood.
Hey, muscles. Alright,
This is how we do it. This is how we do it right now. Plastic bus. God damn. God damn. Man, you gonna take my girlfriend, my wife, and my
50
ex.
Cent.
God. Look at that. That's close hand, guys.
Tengo que calentar.
All that walking. And we also did a workout. These guys are crazy out here, bro. Check out the ride we're about to go in. So old school. Oh, this is like old school. I love it. Shit fire. Super gringo. What up? What up? Don't forget to subscribe. This shit crazy.